日僕の心は音もなく崩れ去った壊れて叫ぶ
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Apollo's Learning. Today our topic is about how arrays are used in Python and basic operations that are used in Python. So in the last topic we have discussed about types of arrays. So let us move on to the topic. How arrays are used in Python. For example, creating an array containing car names like Maruti Suzuki, Hyundai, etc. Get the value of the first array item and next modify the value of the first array item. Return the number of elements in the cars array. So after that print each item in the cars array. Also that add one more element to the cars array. So the above are the ways how arrays are used in Python. So using these ways we have to perform some basic operations in Python programming language. So we have to know about that. Operations in array. So basically how to create an array in Python. There are some basic array operations like finding the length of an array, addition, removal, concatenation, slicing, looping, accessing array elements. So how these basic operations are used. So let us know about them. Finding the length of an array. That means it is the number of elements that are present in an array. Addition. In this we have to perform adding an element to an array. Removal. Here we can remove an element from the array. Concatenation. What is meant by concatenation? Basically it is the process of merging one or more strings or arrays. So next, slicing. What is meant by slicing? So slicing means printing the array elements between one index and another index. So the last one, looping, accessing array elements. So here we access the array elements by using the loops. So what are loops means we have to discuss in our next videos. So this is about the basic operations in array. So using these basic operations we have to perform some example programs. So it will become your assignment too. So there will be no output we are giving. You have to perform these examples in your Python compiler and please keep your output in our comment section. So let us watch them. So this is the example for declaring an array by importing array module. So guys, you have to take this screenshot and perform this program in your Python compiler. And the next one, finding the length of an array. Here this program is used to find the length of array. That means the number of elements that are present in an array. And next we are moving to next one, concatenation of array. Here we have seeing that is n is equal to Python and we have to add the programming to Python. So Python programming. And the next one, addition of an array. Here we are adding some of the elements in an array. Removing from an array. Here we have removing one element from an array. Slicing an element in an array. So these are all the examples you have to perform under the assignment 2. So hope you all understand about up to these topics. So in our next topic we are going to perform some programs using arrays. After performing these programs using arrays, we have completed the topic arrays. So this is all about our today's topic, guys. So don't forget to ping your outputs in the comment section. Thanks for watching.